Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today I'm up at the airport again. Let's go check out these Tacomas. We're going to check out the brake lines. We're going to check the prices. Going to check out trims and features. Let's get to it. Oh wow, this is a nice off-road. It's got a lift on it. This TRD Offroad is a beast. Let's see what they got here. It's a TRD Offroad. Does not have cameras. It's got a 14-inch screen. It's got the off-road upgrade package, heated seats. It's got the JBL speaker. It's got the auto-dimming rearview mirror with a home link universal transceiver. It's got a bonding bed step. Oh, we'll have to check that out. Front recovery hook suspension kits with 2.5-inch lift. Rocker protectors. You can see that right there. It's what the TRD Pro has. All-weather floor liners, tailgate insert, black badge overlay, TRD front skid plate. We'll check that out. Mini tie downs and a bed mat. This has the 17-inch alloy wheels. And they have a bigger tire on these 17 inches too. Those look like, let's see what size tire that is. Those are 35s. Oh, this is definitely, look at that. They got a TRD upper control arm. This has been a major upgrade. So this is the 2.5-inch lift. Oh, this is pretty nice. This doesn't have the cameras, but you can see there, it's got the TRD skid plate. Oh, this is nice. I like that lift. Look at this. Parts are starting to be made in USA. Final assembly point, Baja, California, Mexico. Japan 20%, Mexico 30%. And it's got a locking rear differential. That there is no sway bar disconnect. I like this lift on here, it's nice. Looks like it's the same shocks though, the Bilsteins. It's got the tailgate inserts. Looks like we got DC output, USB-C output over here. You can always get the Trail Hunter air compressor, throw in there. It's got the 400-watt inverter, storage, bed light, and there's the bed mat. Third bed rail, bed cleats, and here it's got the bed step right here. I like this color. I like that badge there. Yeah, this is nice. Only thing it's missing is a stabilizer disconnect. If this one had a stabilizer disconnect, yep, this would have been it. Now let's see what else they got. They got some used 24s down there. Well, let's check out the brake lines on this lifted TRD Offroad. So for this, they want $56,392 for it. That is a nice off-road, I tell you what. They did a good job on that lift. Here's a limited. Remove that air dam. Too much chrome, but transmission parts USA. Now that makes me wonder how that's going to affect the tariffs. Because the engine and transmission's being made in the USA. That means 50% of this truck is foreign parts content. At least major sources of it. And this does have cameras. Let's go walk around the cameras. There's camera there. Way too much chrome for me. Camera there. There's a camera right there. But I can tell already this has the premium paint on it. You can see that shine in the sun there. They want $55,388 for this. TRD Limited black badge overlay, spray on bed liner. And then this isn't an iForce Max. I'm surprised the Limiteds aren't. But USB-C and DC output over here, 400-watt inverter, storage. And then bed rail system cleats. You can see it's got the tailgate insert there. If you like chrome, this would be it. Because this Limited is chromed out. Now let's check out the brake lines on this Limited. All right, we got a Tacoma. We got two Tacomas down here. Let's check these out. It's a nice color. Oh, this is an iForce Max TRD Sport. 18-inch wheels. Oh, those aren't the standard wheels. Interesting. So they want $59,137 for this. This is the TRD Sport Premium Package. So this is the best of the best that you could possibly get on a TRD Sport. And they want $59,137 for it. Doesn't have any tube steps. It's got a 14-inch screen. Let's come around here and let's see what we got. So it's got a camera there. Remove that air dam. I don't care if it is a TRD Sport. Remove that air dam. Transmission. Oh, this one, transmission parts is Japan. This is an odd one. It's got the tow package and the cameras. Got a spray on bed liner, USB-C and DC output, bed lights, bed rails, bed cleats. This has a 2400 watt inverter and storage. It's got tailgate inserts. That looks nice on this color. All right, so on this TRD Sport, let's check its brake lines out. All right, let's check out this TRD Sport. Now you can see they upgraded the wheels on this one. There's that TRD Sport that I was expecting to see the wheels, but they upgraded for these wheels. This has premium paint. This has the 18-inch accessory wheel, TRD Black, for $13.25. So if you wanted those on your Tacoma, that's what it's going to cost you if you wanted those. TRD accessory wheel. All right, let's check out this TRD Sport. They want $45,623 for this. It's got heated front seats. It's got tube steps. Looks like an 8-inch screen. No cameras. Looks like a basic TRD Sport. It does not have a spray-on bed liner. No inverter, no storage, no DC output over here or USB-C. It does have the tailgate inserts, transmission parts USA, engine parts USA. Let's stick our camera down here and check out the wheel well. There's an SR5, 2025 SR5, and boy, it comes with dirt. It's still got the plastic on the wheels there. They want $42,184 for it, 8-inch screen. It's the basic SR5. No spray on bed liner, but it does have bed lights, bed rail system, no cleats. Those cleats are cheap though. You can get those online. Well, they got a whole slew of them up here on its own part of the parking lot up here. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. It looks like either SRs or SR5. We just pick a couple of these at random. Looks like either black, white, or celestial silver. So this is an SR, deck rail and cleats. They want $39,304 for it, 8-inch screen. It's got tube steps. Nothing special about that, the bed, except bed rails and bed cleats. Now this one has a tonneau cover on it, soft tonneau cover. Now let's see where this one's. So the transmission on this one was made in Japan. They want $41,533 for it. 8-inch screen. It's got the SR upgrade package, and the soft tonneau cover is listed on here for $800. These must have just got here. They are dirty, but we'll see how long it takes for them to get all these sold. So what do you think? Do you think the tariffs are going to be paused again? Do you think the tariffs have kicked into play here? And here in a few months? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.